Good afternoon, guys. You can see we are ready for the field survey. Ambuj is chatting with some girl, I guess. Like every time Ambuj is chatting with girls. So let's skip him and meet our Nandan Kumar. No, not Kushwaha, only Nandan Kumar. And you can see Nandan Kumar.
Ritom from
Bangladesh का ये प्यार
Bangladesh,
बांग्लादेश
and his girlfriend is from Cox's Bazar.
क्या बोला तूने?
You can see Nandan Kumar is carrying a rose. Red rose. I will post the vlog fully uncut.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
You can literally know that Ambuj has several Bangladeshi girlfriends and also Bangladeshi boyfriends also, because Ambuj has a personal fashion to carry his boyfriends. Ambuj, do you want to say anything about this?
नहीं.
No, this is totally wrong.
This is totally wrong.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही. आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. दिल दुखा है.
And Nandan Kumar, do you agree with this statement?
या ये बात तो सही है कि अम्बुज का बहुत सारा गर्लफ्रेंड है जो बांग्लादेश से हैं, ऊपर से म्यांमार का भी थी
और boyfriend
चली
भी
गई. हाँ या जैसे लाइक
Let's go. Ambuj, please lock the room. You can see our new member has came with new haircut and facial cut.
How am I looking, guys?
Yes,
I think so. I'm looking like a what?
chapri.
Chapri?
कुछ भी.
Not chapri.
But let's move on to the field and let's see what happens today. So we will be doing lots of fun, like previous videos. We will be doing lots of fun. So let's continue, guys.
आइए देखते हैं मजा आएगा.
It's
Give permission,
totally
yeah.
okay. For a rainy day, it's totally okay.
किसान से लेना है हम सबको डाटा.
Okay.
सो दो तो 4 साथ भी रहेंगे तो जल्दी डाटा कलेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो
Okay.
साथ में काम करेंगे. पहले इस वाले बिल में जाएंगे फिर उस वाले में.
So our target is to collect data from 8 persons. Hey, entry. We have to. Let's go for the entry. Hey, Nandan, give me your keys.
चाबी कहाँ है?
Bike keys. Keys.
अबे साले.
I am bringing the bike. Bike. So today is the totally rainy day. What happened, guys?
अरे साला ब्लॉग यार.
They are using slangs in vlog.
decorum यार.
Okay.
You are
The drone is continuously flying. We don't know why it is flying.
Visible in this camera. It's
Who is controlling there? Who is controlling the drone?
from DC office.
Sir is controlling.
Okay.
कुछ समझे दया?
हाँ सर, इसका मतलब है
इसका मतलब है.
So our plan is for today, go to the remote location of
Yes.
the Nekpur.
Yes.
We'll go through the
We will ask the question.
So
to
Nekpur has a-
ladies and women
हाँ.
both, and then we will compile all the question, and then we will make the report.
Nandan, you go and bring your bike.
The question is already compiled. We
Okay.
will just be doing the survey.
So if I give a brief overview, that Nekpur consisting of, like in imaginary we can consider Nekpur as a 2 zones. Like one zone is having water, totally they are having their own water tanks, and also they are getting the Har Ghar Nal Ka Jal scheme and Jal Jeevan Mission scheme, and also they are getting those water partially. And this is zone 1. So zone 1 having the water tanks in their rooftop, you can see easily there. And another zone which is little bit far from the main entrance of the Nekpur village, they are not getting the water, and also they don't have any personal tanks and these kind of things. So we will be going that location to collect the data, and so that they can get some help. So let's see what happens.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Let's go. So we came here to collect our vehicle. So you can see this is fully modified, extremely powerful, and also there are some stickers.
And my new bike.
And Nandan has a new bike, and also it has a Mercedes logos.
ये क्या है?
And you can see there are "It's Me" sticker. So let's get into the bike.
गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर.
And in a single self it has started. You can see the place. This place is so beautiful, and the weather is also supporting us to do some recordings and this stuff. So you can see there is a good pond. It's in Katari, I guess. Katari. Then after crossing Katari, we will get Nekpur. This is a small school. Another pond here. This one is too big. I think among all these 3 ponds, this one is the largest one, right, Nandan? Nandan, तुम सामने. Keep your cap in front. Nandan. There is a turn, Nandan. Nandan, another turn. Someone may come. Nandan, don't overtake in turns. These guys are more badmas kind of thing. Enjoy the beauty of the place. This place is so good. I love this area so much. This area. Nandan, Jima. Nandan, those guys are poking you. Don't do anything. Nandan, don't do anything. Nandan, Nandan, bumper is there. One bumper is there. Nandan, one bumper is there. Nandan, bumper hai. They got a lesson. You can see the beauty. The boats are passing like a rally kind of thing. Like when a political leader goes, like that kind of thing. Everything is taken from animals only. Right? Everything is taken from environment. Every habitat, everything. So these canal system are for Ahar Pine only, so that the water can store here. Those water who are coming from the uphill, they can be stored here. I think again they have came. Nandan, don't do any overfitting, don't do. The irony is that there is that that is the irony. There has been written that do not drink and drive, and the thing is that Bihar is a dry state, right, Nandan?
नहीं
Huh? Bihar is a dry state, bro. Oh, not that much dry. Like Bihar already banned alcohol.
तू समझा? हाँ नहीं तू समझा नहीं
You can also see there the buffaloes are going in rally. Buffaloes, right? Buffaloes or cows?
भैंस बकरी, ये पूरी भैंस, वो काली भैंस।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
Ambuj is saying that Ambuj belongs from the same phylum of the goat. Actually, seriously, it's yes. So we all belong from the phylum Chordata, right? So the thing is that we all are same, and also we belong from the.
ऐसे कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
Oh, new road, bro. This is for us only. New road. So that's what I am telling, that if we consider as an imaginary zone, this is zone 1. So zone 1 having the water tanks in their rooftop, you can see easily there. And we will be going through the zone 2, that is in distance from this place. अरे उस साइड जाना है तुमको उस साइड जाना है. Okay. Okay. Thank you. You can see that Rajgir Stadium is sports complex is Rajgir Sports Complex, right?
सबसे बड़ी अन्याय है. So guys, we have done with our survey. So you can see Nandan Kumar and I are returning back to our university. So we have done 4 kind of survey. Among them we have also covered one school also. So let's see if the data goes right or wrong, and also let's see it can be helpful for them or not. So we are completely heading towards our university, and you can see the nice view over there. And also I like the most of the village. The one part is that here everywhere we can found the tree-like passages, right, Nandan? Yeah. Everywhere we are finding like this from one road, left side also tree is covering, and another side also the tree is covering. So the thing is that all together we are in totally green area. So in 2025 we are saying about sustainability and these kind of things. So I don't think that for this village we have to talk anything about sustainability and also for the nature kind of thing. We can get enough plenty amount of clean air, clean water, and also a clean view to survive here. So altogether, if we do rate this village, then we will be giving the rating 11 out of 10. So we have made new friends over there. Also we have met some new persons also. And you can see our pro-driver, Nandan Kumar. Yes. Nandan, don't do that. Otherwise we will be in hospital. No, bro. Nandan.
ये कैसे हो गया है?
And then don't do that. Actually, we have insurance of 1 lakh, right? Yeah. Almost you have covered, bro. Almost you have covered 10,000 also. No. Don't do that. So let's see if I can reach university alive or not. Because every time I sit in Nandan's bike, so my heart will start blinking a little bit. So see you. So guys, we came from the village survey and I am now in my cycle. So I am enjoying the view and also the ride. Today the weather is literally so much good. So we have collected several data sets and also heard some of the problems, and let's see what happens.
So goodbye guys, see you in next vlogs. I think I am going late. My friends have reached in hostel. So bye guys, see you in next vlogs.